Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another thrift haul. Now, I am filming these side by side, so you might have seen last week's thrift haul. I'm in the exact same outfit as this is basically part B of the same haul. So I've been very busy but haven't had the time to film thrift hauls, and I say very busy. Been very busy shopping at thrift shops and flea markets and doing my PhD, so a bit of a mixture. But the first thing I'm going to show you is not an item of clothing. So I found this at a charity flea market, and it's this gorgeous rug, I think, or throw of some sort. And it's got, the thing that drew it to me the most is, look, it's got tigers on it. How amazing is that? So I don't know its origin. It cost me €5, so it didn't break the bank, and it's in lovely, it's brand new, and these are my favourite colours. Like, I love autumnal colours, and I love anything with animals on. And look, it matches my outfit. Well, not quite, but we're going for that sort of animal theme. So we've got tigers and jaguars, because why not? So I had to pick this one up, and it's a lovely size as well. It's like humongous. Not quite sure what I'm going to do with it yet, or where I'm going to put it. I think maybe just as like an extra blanket on my bed at the minute, so like a throw, or I could use it as a rug. But I just fell in love with the colours of it. And then the rest of the items, we're kind of going for a bit more of a cooler vibe, even though it's warm outside at the minute, but the weather is still up and down because we are in May. So it's sometimes really hot and sometimes it's raining and cold. So we do still need jumpers. Now, I've got quite the collection to show you guys, and they're not all from thrift shops. This one is from Vinted. So I recently fell in love with shopping on Vinted, and look at this. It's got puffins on it. So this is a gilet, and I absolutely love puffins. So last year I went to Alaska and I got to see puffins for the first time, and so many of them at that, and I just fell in love with them. And so as soon as I saw this, I just had to have it. That being said, it's a size small, and it's by Radish Countrywear. However, I think it must be a size small men's, because in my opinion, this is humongous. However, it kind of works because I can wear it over the top of a jumper. So as long as I style it right, I think I can make it work. But for me, it was the puffins. I just absolutely loved them. And I love this sort of pile Sherpa fleece because I just find it looks lovely for a really long time. And even on the inside, look at the puffins, the way they look on the inside of the jacket. It's just so gorgeous. So I had to grab this one. Now, this one was a little bit more expensive than what I usually spend. So I think I spent about £25 on that on Vinted. But I'd never, I saw it and I just thought, oh, I must own that, and that's how it went. And I actually wear it quite a lot, so I've been really liking it over the top of jumpers with jeans. It kind of works. Then the next jumper I got, this one was £1, and again, it's just like a nice oversized fleece. I just wanted something I could throw on over a turtleneck, wear it with jeans, and be comfortable in the lab, because my life at the moment is just at a computer screen because I'm writing a thesis, and so I'm just writing every day of my life pretty much, and so I just wanted some cozy, oversized jumpers that I can just throw on and not worry about. So that was £1 well spent because I love the colours in this one. And this is originally from Next, and it's a size medium, just for reference. Next do lovely jumpers like this. Like, I still see, I regularly kind of just browse, and they've got some really gorgeous designs with landscapes on them or animals on them and patterns, and I want them all. But I've got some restraint. Only a little bit. Then the next jumper I got is this lovely wrap cardigan. Now, this one is full of holes, but they're deliberate. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of got like a lace effect in the knit, which is really beautiful. Now, this is a Peruna size 6, and I loved the colour of it. Now, I just thought that's it's almost like a basic colour, like white or black. It's like a real staple, and it just goes with everything. I can wear it with black or denim, and it just looks really lovely, and it's like a lovely fluff. It's so soft to touch. It almost feels like cashmere, but it's not cashmere. So I just really liked it, and it's a ballerina style jacket. Cardigan. So it wraps. So it's got these long things, and you poke them through this hole here, and then it just ties around. So it's just a really easy to wrap around cardigan that looks lovely, and I feel so cozy and comfy in it. So I had to grab that one. Next jumper I got, I actually found in Romania. So I was out there for a mixture of field work and a conference, and it's 100% cashmere, and I just love the colour of it. So it's originally limited collection, so it's an M&S, size 14. I think it's a little bit felted, but not to the point of it doesn't work. The only thing I would say, it's got unusual sleeves. They're kind of like slightly puffy and then tight. And whenever I put it on, I just feel like it's somewhat kind of like medieval in its fashion, but also very, very modern at the same time. So I just feel a bit like it's a balance. I'm trying to work out how to style it, but I'm not sure. I think also the colour might be slightly off on me. So I look lovely in blues and greens, but this one's like a in-between shade. So let me know what you think of this one. But it cost me equivalent of £3 from the Romanian lei, I think is how it said. So I think I can't remember exactly what I spent on it in lei, but I remember doing the conversion like on my phone in the corner, and I was like, yes, I'll grab that. So it was didn't cost a lot, and it's lovely and soft, and I like the detailing on it. I just don't know what it is about it. Something just, it's not like an instant click. I find myself not reaching for it as often as I was hoping to. Then the next jumper I got, so I've been trying to buy more and more natural fibre jumpers rather than kind of polyester and other fabrics. So this one is 100% merino wool. So it's a really lovely quality, and it's by a brand called King and Tuckfield London. Now this one cost me £3. I actually got this at an English charity shop when I popped home, and I loved the neckline on it. I don't know if you can see it kind of crisscrosses over there. And it's just a colour I wear all the time. I love oranges, I love mustards, and it's just so lovely to wear and really nice and warm. So I thought at that price, I can't say no to some merino wool. Sticking with the same colourway, I found this gorgeous metallic number. Now this isn't natural fibres, but it's lovely and stretchy and looks so nice with a pair of jeans. And I just loved the like sparkliness of it. Now I can't find a tag in it. I don't know where it's from originally. Oh, there we go. So believe it or not, this is a size 12 from St. Michael, and this is the thing with sizing, like the things I thrift are anything from like a size 4 to a size 14. Like this is a size 12, the dress I'm wearing is a size 12, but then some of the other things I've got are like 6s, and it's just amazing. Like historical sizing has like changed so much throughout the years. You cannot take what it says on the tag as gospel. Like you have to try it on because it's amazing what actually fits. And this to be a size 12, I'm sorry, this is like skin tight on me and amazing. Like if I wanted something that fit like this, I'd need to go for an extra small or a size 6 in today's sizing. So just keep that in mind when you're shopping, that you don't just shop in your size category, go up and down and just try it on. And if it doesn't fit, it's not made for you, and that's totally okay, unless you know how to tailor, and then you can make it made for you. Then the next piece I got is just a staple white, or kind of cream actually, turtleneck jumper. Now this literally has no tags in it whatsoever, like zero. And you know when you can just feel a jumper has quality? So I don't know what this is made of, whether it's a wool, a cashmere, a mix, but it just feels really lovely, and I thought you can't go wrong with a creamy white turtleneck. But the only thing with this one, it's got a bit of a funny neckline on it. It kind of bunches up around my neck a little bit. I don't think it looks bad, and also when you actually flop the collar over, it has like the inside out seams. So I don't know if I'm just wearing it wrong, but I think it's still really easy to wear. It's just not quite a perfect fit in terms of how it looks on, but I think overall it's very wearable. So I think I spent a couple of quid on that one as well, so it's not like I broke the bank to get it. Then I have a few more items left. It has been a busy thrifting period, mainly because when I'm stressed, I tend to shop, and I know that's a really bad habit, but it's just like, it's the way I kind of get a bit of serotonin, I guess. So instead of buying new things, I love to hunt down bargains. It's just like the rummage. It's kind of like, it's the thrill of the hunt, essentially. So I just can't help myself. So I have been picking up quite a few new items, but I am trying to move on some old ones as well, just because there is a limit on how many clothes a girl can have, and I know I push those boundaries. So the next piece I got is this nice black jumper with this kind of silver detailing on it. This one was only 50p. It's so nice. Just throw this on with jeans. It's a lovely fit. It's not baggy. It's kind of a nice slim jumper. And I just really liked it. And I have no idea where this is from. I think it says Who. or something along those lines. I've literally never seen it before, but I love the detailing on it, and it's just a really easy thing to wear. I love jumpers that, you know, jumper jeans, but kind of smart casual, and that's exactly what that one is. And then I picked this one up for €3 in France because I love this kind of fluffy jumper. I wish I didn't get this one because it doesn't hug me like I wanted it to, and I have been trying to get more natural fibres, and this just isn't that. So I think this was a bad decision, but it's by Manoukian, a brand I've never heard of. Love the colour of it. The fit of it it kind of rises up a little bit, so it's just not the best fit. It's kind of like after I wear it for a little bit, it slowly just shrinks in the wrong places. But I do love the colour, so it was nearly perfect, but that's the problem with some thrift shops, you can't try them on, so it's kind of a gamble, but not exactly an expensive gamble. Then I did get some skirts. Now this one is brand new, still with tags. I got this one for €3, and I just loved the houndstooth. Now I love kind of knit skirts, and this one's a lovely A-line style and a really nice length. So this with like knee-high black boots and tights in kind of autumn winter is going to be so cute. Now, I like the buttons down the front, but the pockets are a bit weird. They're not actually real pockets, they're just flaps like that. So I think what I'm going to do is just unpick them, and then if it looks weird, re-sew them back on, because it's not terrible, but I would prefer them without the pockets. So I'm going to see how that looks like. But the brand is literally called Fashion, and it's a size, I think, of one size. That's all I've got. So I just thought that's really cute, easy to make smart or casual, so just very versatile, and who doesn't love a knitted skirt? It's just like so lovely. And then I got another skirt. This one was £1, and it's just this lovely kind of houndstoothy tartan. This is originally from New Look size 6, and it's just a stretchy kind of pencil skirt, and this with a black or a mustard turtleneck and tights and boots is really my style. Like, I love these sort of like stretchy little skirts just to throw on with tights. They're so easy to wear in the autumn and winter, and they look so nice with my turtlenecks. It's kind of a lovely outfit, and it reminds me of Clueless. It kind of gives that sort of vibe. So really like this one, and it's a nice length. It's not too mini, but it's also not knee length, so it's like still stylish but also practical. Then I always pick up tights, so I got these for, I think these were 50p in the charity shop, and they're originally from Monsoon. Now these are one size, but I now get tights anything from a size medium to a size extra large. I've realised that with tights, especially because I have got curvy legs, so I can get away with the bigger sizes, but they just all fit, and the larger sizes are actually so much more comfortable on me. So I really recommend, if you're having problems with like the crotch falling low or stuff like that, just go up a couple of sizes in tights. They're all stretchy, so they're not going to be baggy on you. So for me, going up sizes in tights has been like the best thing ever. And these ones, they're not plain black. I don't know if you guys can actually see. Normally they're quite good at showing you the design. Ah, there you go. They've got like diamonds on, that's just a thread. And I love funky tights. So I've got quite the collection of funky tights now, but I try my best to look after them, but it's so hard to keep tights from laddering. So I need to try out, you can get these like ladder resistant tights, and I really want to like get a few of them. They are kind of closer to £20 a pair of tights, which to me seems ridiculous because I get all of mine for like 50p to £1. But if they're ladder resistant, like apparently you can literally put Velcro on them or a knife and they're not going to rip. So I kind of want to try them. So if you guys would be interested in knowing if tights are actually indestructible, could be a fun video series to do where I try the different brands and let you know which ones actually work. But that is everything I've thrifted recently. So I do hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I'll be back with more soon. Thanks for watching.